Welcome to Social Work Updates. In this video, we are going to talk about methods in social work. In general, the term method refers to a methodical approach to a task. The term method is used in social work to describe a methodical and planned approach to assisting people. The basic goal of social work is to help people, groups, and communities manage their psychosocial problems by using social work's methodologies, tools, strategies, and skills in a conscious way. In order to complete this role, the social worker must be well versed in all social work practices that will make it easier for him to assist individuals in fixing their own difficulties. When it comes to achieving its goals, social work as a profession mostly employs the following methods. Number 1. Social casework. Number 2. Social group work. Number 3. Community organization. Number 4. Social work research. Number 5. Social welfare administration. And number 6. Social action. The primary or direct methods are the first three of the methods listed above. In the sense that they are directly utilized in the field scenario among the people to solve their difficulties, these are direct and primary. The social worker's direct intervention is used to fix the problems at the grassroots level using these strategies. Because they are indirectly involved by some specialized agencies or a group of organized people, the last three are known as secondary or indirect approaches. These methods, unlike primary methods, usually work on a secondary level, but not directly with individuals. Number 1. Social casework. It is the most used method of social work. It works with individual issues in a one-on-one interaction that is directed by the social case worker's professional expertise. In this strategy, the social case worker tries to restore the client's strained relationship with his social environment by guiding the client through a series of guided interactions to help him or her adapt to his or her new surroundings. The case worker uses this method to discover different aspects of the client's problem, develop a treatment plan that is appropriate for the client's needs, and then, using his or her professional knowledge of social relationships, tries to change the client's attitude and behavior in order for him to grow and develop. Number 2. Social group work. Another important type of social work is group work. It is a process in which individuals in a social group are assisted by a professionally qualified worker who facilitates their interaction through planned program activities so that they can relate to others and find growth opportunities that are appropriate for their needs and capacities, all with the noble goal of individual group and community development in mind. The group worker employs the group as a potential tool for individuals' positive change and development of personality in this method. Individuals in groups are the most important in group work, and all program activities center on their development needs. They are helped to strengthen their relationships and personality qualities as a result of the group work process, which may assist them in developing themselves and their community as a whole. Number 3. Community organization. In social work, community organization is a process in which efforts are focused toward addressing the needs of the community by coordinating the community's people and material resources. Some of the specific activities in the community organization technique include identifying problems, discovering resources that are relevant to their requirements, building and organizing interpersonal and intergroup relationships, and planning and executing effective program activities. The fundamental aim of this strategy is the organized and coordinated effort of the people of the community for their own growth. Number 4. Social welfare administration. One of the secondary methods of social work is administration of social welfare. It refers to the process of transforming social policy into social service. To put it another way, it's a way of managing social work or welfare issues. Some of the specific activities involved in the social welfare administration method include developing programs, mobilizing resources, recruiting and involving appropriate personnel, proper organization, coordination, providing skilled leadership, supervision and guidance of staff, budgeting, and evaluation. Number 5. Social work research. Another major method of social work is research in the field of social work. It refers to the methodical and critical examination of the issues that social workers face in the realm of practice. The goal of this strategy is to develop solutions to current and emerging social work issues in order to put them into practice. Like other social sciences, social work research contributes significantly to the knowledge base and aids in the better planning and implementation of social work programs. And number 6, social action. To ensure social progress, the social action method of social work is employed to bring about desired changes in a flawed system. This strategy is used to try to mobilize people, raise their knowledge of existing issues, organize them, and urge them to speak out against harmful behaviors that stifle their advancement, and lastly to put pressure on the government to pass appropriate legislation for social progress. This strategy aims to link the demands of the community to the solution of the problems, mostly through collaborative action. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more social work updates, please watch and like the video, hit the bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel.